On my recent trip to the UK, I got this from Amazon for £170. Let's see if this gets the job done and how capable it is. Welcome back to the channel and let's go ahead and review this DJI Neo drone. First off, let's jump onto the unboxing and then let's move further. So now that we've unboxed the drone, let's talk about its design. Now, by the feel, the first time me handling this drone, it's pretty plasticky. I mean, the build quality does not seem that great, but let me tell you guys that this is an entry level into drones. I mean, there's very good quality ones, there's very premium quality ones, but this is just your first step into drones. So keeping that in mind, the price point and everything, this was the cheapest drone we could find. Now, in terms of its design, you can see that it's as big as my hand, probably fits exactly perfectly in my hand, and it's lighter than 250 grams. This means it's very travel friendly. You can easily carry it anywhere you're traveling to record your footage. After that, we've got two buttons over here. I'm thinking this button is used to change modes, and then this button is used to turn it on. Then we've got a C-type cable here. This is probably to charge it. So you can even open the back of this drone and there's a battery in there. That's what gets charged. Or if you need to replace it in the future, you can buy it separately, put a new battery in. Then obviously we got 4 fans, and then we got the cap, and this is inside where the camera is. Pop this off and inside you've got the camera. Now I'd also like to mention that this can record in 4K resolution. So if you record in 4K, it gives you 30 FPS. If you record in 1080 pixels, it gives you 60 FPS. This drone also has GPS and vision positioning. This means it's super easy for new beginners to fly as well. That's pretty much it from the design. Let's go ahead, turn it on and see how it functions. Turn on this drone, this bottom button, you need to press it once and then hold it the second time you press it. And now the drone is on. You can see the fans jittering. This is its signal to be turned on. And then the button that you've got on top over here is once you press it, it changes mode. Alright, it's got a small speaker as well. This is something we missed in the design. Another fact for this is the battery, if it's fully perfect, like it's brand new on this one, fully charged, it gives you 31 minutes of flight time. This is more than enough for you to capture the perfect shot that you're aiming for. Now let's see what different modes this drone has. We still gotta test each one out. So first off, if you press the button, droning, I think this is freeform.
Circle.
So this one is circle. It probably goes around in circles capturing footage.
Rocket.
Rocket is basically maybe it goes straight up.
Spotlight.
Then we've got spotlight, maybe focusing on one single spot.
Direction track.
Direction track is basically, you point it out to a person and then it follows that person.
Follow.
Follow is basically a more enhanced version. We still gotta test it out. So it has 6 different modes. Now another cool feature of this drone is that it safely flies back to you if it's lost signal or the battery is low. Now this drone is also wind resistant. DJI claims that in moderate winds it can fly very stable. For that, we gotta test it out and see how much wind it can survive. Now let's go ahead and check out the app to fly this and see the interface and share that with you guys. Alright, now that we've got the app set up for the drone, let's go ahead and see what the app is about. So here is the DJI app. It's giving you instructions first of all before you fly spots nearby. The app is automatically locating if there's any safe fly zones close by. We've got quick transfer, we've got album, create, sky panel service, profile, connection guide, flight guide. So obviously because this is a drone, safety is very important and they fully focused on that through the app, through the drone. All right, so recommended zone, Lahore. They've actually found one. Let's click on that. So you check the fly spots list. It's giving you Emporium Mall, Model Town Park, So it's definitely giving you spots nearby. Now obviously, you know, so let's just go ahead and turn on the drone through the physical button that's been given to us. All right, there we go. The drone's on now. Let's see if the app catches it on. As the drone came on, it's connecting to this drone. Join, it says connecting, taking a while here. DJI Neo 3D 7A. Got it. All right, choose a suitable flight environment. It's giving you safety instructions one more time, which is very good because you gotta be careful with these things. You don't want to hurt anybody. All right, here we have it. So here's the drone. Here's the footage. Let's put it on our palm. Start. As you can see, safety guides are very important. I just got this stuck right in my hair and pulled a good chunk out of it right now. And you know, by the looks of it, you know how much I love my hair. Anyways, let's try that again. All right, so we're gonna turn it on again. All right, so let's test it out again. Let's turn it on. All right, there you go. It's on again. I think you have to face the camera towards you because it goes backwards. So remember, anytime you get a drone, keep the camera facing towards you because it flies back slightly. All right, it's on now. Let's go ahead and connect this. Again, one more time. Go fly. Keep it at a safe distance and hold takeoff. There goes the fan. There goes the drone. And then now if you gotta pull it back, you gotta keep your hand down here and it safely returns.